our return to the LK Metro Hotel in Pattaya, Thailand. Welcome back to the LK Metro Hotel, located on Soi Diana in Pattaya. This is a place we've been before. Let's have a look at the map. So as you can see on the map, we are situated here between Soi Diana and Soi Buakhao, and we're right beside LK Metro. And as you may or may not know, that's a good nightlife area. I actually recorded the commentary for this out in the hotel when I got there, and I'm going to let you listen to that in real time. So when you come into the room, the first thing you have here on the left is you have your little kitchen area, and you have two little burners and a little sink. And the LK Metro is a little bit older, so you have a few little dents here and there, but what will you do? I won't be cooking anyway. We have a little toilet here on the right, and this is the actually kind of a one toilet and one bathroom here. I love the electrics, look at that, fantastic. that's good, isn't it? But the main room is nice. You have a nice glass table, and the LK was always a bit funny, kind of quirky and over-styled a small bit. Big screen, which I haven't tested yet, I've just arrived, but hopefully that'll be okay. And you have your little glass table and your nice couch where you can get comfy there, take it easy. And then outside we have a little balcony, which is pretty nice if you want to have a smoke. Although I can't say the view is very good, but what will you do? So that's the little front room. Then you have a little microwave oven, which is like that, your little tea and coffee service, and a fridge, an empty fridge, 2 bottles of water, huh? Better than nothing. And then you have the bedroom, which is quite nice. The aircon is starting to kick in. Another big flat screen telly. You have a nice little area, I don't know what you call it, a dressing table, maybe. A little stool to sit on. Another little chair where you can spend your days. And again, that leads out to the little balcony area there at the back. Yeah, it's nice. Have a look down here. There's a big set of wardrobes here. See if there's anything in them. Oh, okay, so there's your safe anyway, which is always a good idea. A few shelves, and I'm sure this one here would be much the same. Yeah, big wardrobe area, you know, hang up your shirts and suits and whatever. And then the little bathroom here, I suppose is the main bathroom really. You have a sink, toilet, and yeah, old style bath with in the shower, which goes up there. But yeah, it's okay. Look, like a lot of these places, it's certainly seen better days, but yeah, nice enough. So here we are back in the smoking area, or the balcony. I can never understand why the hotels don't give out the rooms to the front of the hotel, because it wasn't that busy when I was there, and instead they give me a back room looking at, you know, the back of a street. But look, other than that, the room was pretty nice. The LK Metropole has a great location, it's a nice enough place, it's always clean, it's always tidy, the staff are nice. But as I mentioned in the video, it is certainly getting older, and you can see that, you know, the wear and tear around the hotel. But like life itself, everything gets older. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.